Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add font in CapCut. So first, you're going to want to download any font you'd like and put it in like your files folder. And then after that, you are going to go to text, then press add text. Then you are going to go to font and then choose import font and press the plus button. As you can see, I have downloaded some fonts on thefont.com, and then I'm just going to select a font off of my files folder and click on it. Then as you can see, I will have this like font that I downloaded on the app. And here I can just change the text right here. I'm just going to write hello. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!